So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are at Snetterton Circuit. This is the first time I've ever been here, and we are with Tom and Wayne again. I'm going to go set up my camera and everything now, get the gimbal sorted, but I'm going to do a lot more handheld things. I've got my GoPro again, so I'm going to do behind the scenes and try and get as much clips as possible, and we are going to be trying to put the GoPro inside the car as well to get some really nice shots of that. So yeah, I'll add everything into this video. So yeah, let's get into it. Annoyingly, I've forgotten my chest mount, the bracket for it. So I do have my head one, but I've just spotted this, so I'm going to try and do my behind the scenes as much as I can on my camera. But look at this STO in one of the brightest colours I've ever seen. Jeez. And these are all the owners' cars as well. That looks sick. Try a little cinematic actually. Let's go. So I've just had to give my SD card from my GoPro to the guys because they're asking for footage. But I'm going to take some shots of this, so I'm going to pop it up here so you can see some of the shots that I've done. Unfortunately they're not POV and in real time, but I will be doing that soon for the rest of the shots that I'm doing, but they're just borrowing it. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the photos that I've just popped up for you. Aston Martin there, which is reportedly worth 2 million, which is mental. And then as we go down, Cupra, two of them. I've seen that one before. That one has ashes. Further down you've got the Aston Martin.
Seconds, number 1.
So trying to get some nice drive-by shots of photos this time. See if any of them are so bright. Well, they've got the safety car out. That might work in my favour for the shot.
I told you, it catches people out. Wait, now on less contracts and the race is going better for you. Thanks for having a chat with me.
Well, yeah, earlier, some guy who is friends with Tom, I was chatting to, telling me about his new GT3, how it's fully specced out in all black, and yeah, I was just coming through the car park and I've found it, so let's get some shots. It is very bright, and I am shooting blind because I cannot see the screen at all, and it's on fast shutter still. I do like these in bright colours, but to be honest, this stealthy, blacked out spec looks really, really good. Yeah, that's sick. Black, oh, look at the wheels. The wheels are really nice, and the black brake calipers as well. And oh, it's got white belts, white stitching. Yeah, this looks so good. The paint is mad. Get a nice shot of the whole back here. Yeah, that looks sick. I hope the pictures do it some justice. With the paint, especially as well. Just look at it. Come over here now with the Snetterton Bridge there, which I've got some really nice shots. I'm trying to get, I've got some videos, but I'm trying to get some photos now. Over here, one of the Huracans, it's like, it shoots flames out of the back. So I'm trying to get a shot of it shooting a flame. If I can. I don't think it flamed on that one. No. Oh, it did. I'm not entirely sure what I managed to get on the GoPro, but I've been trying to do panning shots of one of the Huracans because it shoots a flame, and I've been trying to get it, so you'll know if I pop it up if I've got it or not. So yeah, fingers crossed. tried to get the shots of flaming, but I couldn't manage to. But look how good that looks. A bit of Super Trofeo, I presume. I'm going to try and get some photos actually.
Okay. It was so hot. Over there, guys.